Hi everyone. Have you ever heard someone say, "It works on my machine," only for it to crash when you try running it on yours? Frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to explain Docker, a tool that solves this problem. And I'll use a simple example you probably already know: shipping containers. Think about how goods are shipped all over the world. Before shipping containers, every port had to unpack and repack items differently. It was slow, complicated, and costly. Then came standardized shipping containers, those big metal boxes you see stacked on ships and trucks. Because every container is the same size and shape, it fits perfectly on any ship, train, or truck, no matter what's inside. This made moving goods faster, cheaper, and way more reliable. Now, imagine your computer is like a port, and your application is the cargo. Before Docker, building an app on your laptop and running it somewhere else was a nightmare. Different computers had different settings, missing software, or incompatible versions. Docker changes all that. Docker packages your app and everything it needs, like libraries, system tools, and settings, into a single container. This container is portable, lightweight, and runs the same way on any computer, server, or cloud platform. So what makes Docker special? First, consistency: your app runs the same everywhere. Second, speed: containers start almost instantly. Third, efficiency: containers use way less resources than full virtual machines. And lastly, portability: you can easily move your containers anywhere. You create a Docker file, which is like a recipe for your container. Docker reads that file, builds an image, a snapshot of your app and its environment, and then runs it as a container. Want to share your app? Just upload the image to Docker Hub, kind of like GitHub, but for Docker images. Whether you are building microservices, automating deployment, or just avoiding the "works on my machine" problem, Docker makes your life easier. It's fast, reliable, and super powerful. This video is part of a playlist about Docker basics. We'll continue to explore more videos about Docker with simple examples and easy-to-understand explanations. If you want to learn more or see a hands-on tutorial, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech explained simply. Remember, with Docker, your app ships just like a container. Anywhere, anytime, reliably. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.